beautiful people. Miracles TV here. I welcome you according to your time. Today, we're gonna talk about Justin Dean. I rarely talk about him, but today I'm gonna bring that to the table, people. Can you believe that he was accused and taken to court for sexual assault? Could you believe that? I couldn't believe that myself. But it happened, people. He was in court today. And guess what? He did not win the case. The case is still ongoing, but he is the one losing. And this page, I said no to Dr. JD, kind of put this out, and we got these people. Oh my God. For all those asking, yes, I won my civil case against JD, and he tried to claim indigent, indigent, but the judge found out he was lying after the pre-sentence investigation came back and uncovered he had plenty of money in the bank on uncovered he had plenty of money in the bank account, and he tried hiding this money behind a trust. It also showed that he paid Summers deposit, first and last moving expenses, and co-signed her apartment because she applied before and was denied. My criminal case is still ongoing. I cannot speak about the case because of the gun order, but revelation is coming. Barely been on here anymore, but I am curious how you can't pay your daughter's school fees, but cashing out on someone's deposit and co-signing for her. Your attorney talks too much. Oh, people, you can't believe this. You can't believe this. You remember the last video? There was one of the videos that I've just posted. And even the Bible tells men to take responsibility. Take responsibility of the things you have to take responsibility on. And child support, pay your child support if you have kids and you have the responsibility to pay your child support. So, this one just reminded me of that post which I posted some days back. You can't imagine that somebody is saying no to giving child support, no to paying, contributing to paying your children's school fees, but yet being able to pay the first and last month deposit for a girlfriend which you just met. I don't see. I understand there's love, but your blood comes first before anything, right? Um, and this is somebody really educated. I am not here to run him. I'm not. He has his reason why, but I'm just asking these questions so that we can be thinking and also learning from this situation. So not only did he do that, when he found out that he was going to lose or he was not winning, he decided to say, "Oh, I don't have money," and not knowing that the judge, they have the way of knowing things. So they went did their investigation, and then they realized, uncovered that he has plenty of money, and he was trying to hide it through trust. You know, you can't hide anything here. The way the system is, people, you don't need to because you will not be successful. So don't just bother. Anything that's out there is out there. So I wonder why you have money, but you just want to prove a point that you let your own kids, the one that you really love, suffer, or you want the money to come out of somebody's own pocket, but you're ready to dash and dispatch your own money to somebody that you're not even sure that you're gonna be having a relationship for that person for a long time. Just questioning, just questioning. So remember, we shared stories to learn. What's the learning we're getting here, people? We are not here to point fingers. That's not what I am here for. For us is for us to learn. If we are in this kind of situations, what do? We should prioritize first. What comes first? Your children's, your daughter's education. You don't go out into the internet and cry for support, as if you don't have when actually you have and your bank accounts are full. And people will donate their small money and get their clothes to give you so that I can give your daughter when you are a doctor working and having a source of income capable to take care of your own kids. People, we shouldn't be doing like this. This is one of the learning. We should try to always be contented and not exploit others for our own benefit. We should learn to say no. If you're doing something, if you're working, and that client tells you stop, you stop. Don't insist, because it's gonna get you into trouble. And if you see that you are not comfortable, you have the right to also say yes. Because of this and this, I'm not comfortable continuing with this session. We're gonna end it. It's a two-way traffic. We have to learn, people. We learn so that we can be better people. Separation is a difficult test, and we go with anger. And when the lion and the elephant, they are fighting, what suffers? The grass suffers. So we got to be careful that when you and your ex are fighting, the children suffer. How are you going to make it possible better for the children not to suffer? See, like in this case, somebody would say, I'm not contributing for my daughter's education. But when you have the money and you're spending it, and as karma would do it, now this case has come and has unveiled what he was protecting and covering. The whole world now know your financial situation. So we got to be mindful. Hope this was useful and helpful. Be mindful and plan and prioritize whatever we have, so that we don't make wrong decisions that we're going to regret about. So, Justin Dean, I know you're trying to cope and do your stuff, but it's unfortunate that these things have to come out for us to talk about and learn from it. Please, people, when you are separating, remember the kids and don't let the kids suffer. That's our learning here. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Your number one TV, Miragee's TV. Thank you, and have a nice day. See you in my next video. My next video.